If you're watching this, you're exactly where you're supposed to be. It's me, Mr. Grim Reaper, and welcome in. I started creating content back in 2019. Yung tipong kahit simpleng video lang pinupost ko. Kasi masaya lang ako mag-edit, maglaro, mag-share. Pero dumating yung point na kinakailangan kong tumigil. Life happened. I had to work. I had to figure out what I really wanted. Nag-start ako sa work bilang Facebook advertiser. Akala ko panibagong simula lang pero dun ko nakita yung creativity ko may lugar din pala sa corporate world. Unti-unti na-apply ko yung pagiging content creator ko. I become a graphic designer, then a video editor. Then I level up into a full-on content creator sa company. The skills I use for fun, naging tools ko para mag-excel. At yung passion ko dati, naging profession ko ngayon. To anyone watching this, kung feeling mo na pag-iiwanan ka o nawawala ka pa rin, trust the pause. Sometimes, kailangan mong lumihis saglit para mahanap ang tamang daan.